Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are diving into something that is highly requested for those of you wanting to squeeze every ounce of peak performance out of your device. We're talking about the highly anticipated SkiaVK Magisk Module, specifically the Ultimate Rendering Optimization version 6.1. If you are constantly dealing with annoying UI lags, frame drops, or just general sluggishness in your daily scrolling and system animations, this is exactly what you need. It is a universal module that literally slaps your Android rendering system into behaving, forcing it to run efficiently and flawlessly across the board. Let us take a quick look at the necessary files you are going to need for this setup. Here in my file manager, you will notice we actually have two different zip files available for this specific module. One is heavily optimized for OpenGL rendering, and the second one is built specifically for Vulkan rendering. Different devices, custom ROMs, and processor chipsets handle these graphical APIs very differently. Having both of these powerful options ensures that regardless of your specific hardware combination, you have the exact right file to unlock the best possible graphical performance. Now let us move on to the actual installation process. Go ahead and open your Magisk app and head straight over to the Modules tab located at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the Install from Storage button and navigate through your folders to find your downloaded zip files. You only need to flash one of them based on your specific device needs, so choose either the OpenGL version or the Vulkan version depending on what runs best on your system. Once you select the zip file, the flashing process will immediately begin. You need to pay close attention here because this is an interactive installer. The script will actually pause during the flash and prompt you to make a selection. You will need to use your physical volume buttons on the side of your phone to choose the specific version you want to apply. Usually, the volume up key is used to navigate or change your selection, and the volume down key is used to confirm it. Just read the on-screen text instructions carefully and press the correct volume buttons to ensure the module installs exactly as needed. Once the terminal text finishes scrolling down your screen and the installation process is completely finished, the reboot button will automatically appear at the very bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap that to restart your device and apply the system changes. All right, we are fully booted back up. Let us open the Magisk app one more time and check the Module section. As you can clearly see right here, the Ultimate Rendering Optimization module is successfully installed and fully active. Enjoy your incredibly smooth new interface. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.